Today's creativity idea designer wall light. It's very beautiful and a designer lamp. It's very simple method of making at home. It's very simply the best idea. Required materials: PVC pipes, PVC elbow 25 mm, diffuser dome, 5 volt 3 watts LED with heatsing, 5 volt 1 amp LED driver, instant glue, flexible wire, heatsing tube 2 mm, insulation tape, soldering flux, soldering wire, and then power and tools. PVC pipe, diameter 90 mm, height 32 mm. Use hacksaw blade to cut the pipe. PVC pipe sheet, length 130 mm, width 130 mm. Use instant glue to bond. Use a metal cutter to cut the pipe. Sanding unwanted portions. Use a drill machine and step drill bit. PVC pipe, diameter 32 mm, height 20 mm. Use hacksaw blade to cut the pipe. Use instant glue to bond. PVC pipe sheet, length 145 mm, width 17 mm, bending size 31 mm. Use a heating gun to bend the PVC sheet. Use a drill machine to drill 3 mm holes. Use a drill machine to drill 3 mm holes. Insert screws. PVC pipe. Diameter 25 mm. Height 330 mm. Fill the pipe with sand and seal the pipe. Use heating gun to bend the pipe. Take the sand out of the pipe. PVC elbow. Diameter 25 mm. Circle size 25 mm. Use a drill machine and step drill bit to drill 25 mm hole. PVC circle sheet. Diameter 25 mm. Side holes 2 mm. 5 volt 3 watt LED with heatsing. Use a soldering iron to connect wires properly. Insert 2 mm PVC heatsing tubes and heat. PVC pipe. Diameter 25 mm. Five volt 1 ampere LED driver. Use a soldering iron to connect wires properly. Insert 2 mm PVC heatsing tubes and heat. Diffusing domes. Fit the diffusion dome in PVC elbow. Finally, project work done. Painting process. Test processing. Light glowing. Product working very well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe.